Good morning!
Good morning!
Today we are going to the Blue Lagoon. We are very, very excited. We have actually been to the Blue Lagoon in Iceland, but it's going to be very different to that because this time it's going to be hot. So yeah, we're very, very excited. Will it be as blue? Will it be as blue as the Iceland one?
See a comparison picture now.
We don't know why it's blue.
I think it's just the water is very clear and the sand is very shallow.
So that's why it's blue. Anyway, we'll see you in a bit. Bye! Good?
Very blue.
Better than Iceland Blue Lagoon?
Very lagoony.
Did you enjoy it more than the Iceland one, or?
Oh, that's a tough. Apples and oranges, you know.
No.
Apples and oranges.
One thing I would say if you are coming to the Blue Lagoon is that on the way up to the toilets there is some lockers which we have found like really, really handy. €8 for the whole day, and you can put all your camera stuff in there if you're camera nerds like us. So if you want to come to the Blue Lagoon, I highly recommend that instead of going with a tour group or something like that, just go to the top of the island where you can get a ferry, and it costs €10 each and it will take you here and back. The first one is at 9 o'clock and the last one back is at 6 o'clock. And then you can just spend as much time here as you want rather than having to just hop off a little cruise ship like we've seen loads of people doing here for like an hour and then have to be forced back on, and then they don't really see much. Please subscribe, comment, share, like and all of that stuff, and we will see you in the next video where we will be going around Gozo, which is an island which looks super cool. Here's some images now. See you in the next video. Bye!